This is what $989,000 gets you in West Roseville. Tall ceilings with recessed lighting as soon as you enter. With an open concept floor plan. You have a large kitchen island with a waterfall edge and a pull-out trash. You have your own spice drawer, gas cooktop, pot filler, and slab as backsplash. Built-in oven and convection microwave. You have a butler's pantry and food pantry and your dining room off the kitchen. And you have a downstairs bedroom and a downstairs bathroom and a downstairs laundry room. And you have a master bedroom with double doors and a master bathroom with walk-in shower, separate tub, and double vanity. And a walk-in closet with organizers with a hallway leading to the bedroom. Upstairs bedroom number 1. Upstairs bedroom number 2. Upstairs bedroom number 3. Upstairs bonus room. Upstairs guest bathroom with double vanity. Sliding doors to your covered patio. And covered entertaining space. And a swimming pool with waterfall and Cabo shelf. And a great room concept with fireplace. And a 3-car garage with epoxy floors.